Yeah, so you probably click this video because you want to make some money online. And if you are here to make some quick cash, I'll just encourage you to skip this video and share it to someone who is interested to make money. So we all know how making money is hard in Ghana, and maybe not to talk of making money online. So in this tutorial, I'll just guide you on the tools, website, and the process you need to go through if you want to make money online. People still think you can just click a button online and make money, and it doesn't work that way. So if you are here, make sure you like and share this video to your friends as well. So most of the aspects or the topics I will talk about, I have in-depth tutorials about them already. So this video won't be long, so just stay tuned to the end as I unveil some key points about making money online, which will save you some stress and time and money online. So the first thing I'll talk about is content creation. Just start with whatever you have, your phone, that your small camera online. Just get a good lighting, get a microphone, and you are good to go. Just discover what you like doing, whether sports, entertainment, tech, fashion, lifestyle, food, travel, anything, religion, culture, anything that you like. Just start creating content around. Just pick up a camera, a phone, let someone record you or record yourself doing whatever you like doing, and just put it out there. Build a solid following, and brands or maybe people will start paying you for content, or maybe just working with you because you are good at what you do. So if you need any info or maybe help about content creation, you can just DM me. Check the links in the description. I have my Instagram and TikTok over there. Just holla at me, whatever you want to do, I'll just guide you through. And the next one is affiliates. So Jumia has an affiliate program called Jumia Force. So what it basically does is they pay you for fulfilling orders on the Jumia website. So you just need to create an account on the Jumia Force and connect it to your main Jumia account. Anytime you buy and fulfill an order on the website, you get commissions and you get paid on the 21st of every month via your Momo. And you can also recruit people into your program. So as you earn, they also earn, and you also get commissions from their side also because you refer them onto the program. So you need Ghana card, your name, email, and the one who referred you. So I'll also link a full video in the description, so you just follow along and also make money. And the next one is a Telegram bot. So we have Telegram bots that just allow you to maybe perform tasks like answering surveys, maybe participating in airdrops and all of that. So I'll just talk about the B-sample bot. So this bot allows you to share your honest opinion about topics or maybe about yourself and later get paid via Momo. So the next thing about making money online is through skills, like the content creation I told you. Just learn some skills online: graphic design, how to create videos, website development, UI UX design, product design. There's a whole lot online, and some of them you can get them for free. You can just go on Coursera or maybe Udemy. We have some free courses, and even the paid ones are not that expensive. You can just pay like $40, $50 for a course. Let's say 2 or 3 weeks, you can just finish learning and you have that certificate and knowledge. You can just start applying that knowledge you have, build up a portfolio, and you can be able to get a good CV and start applying for jobs, or maybe start building up something for yourself. And of which definitely you will get money out of it, because if you are good at it and you showcase it to the world, people will find you and they will pay you more to do less of what you know, because you've put in the effort, you've learned the hard way already. All what you need to do is just apply the skills you have and make money out of it. Just monetize your lifestyle around. Yeah, so I will add social media management as part of the skills. Just learn how to manage social media account, TikTok, Facebook, how to run ads on those platforms. Companies are always hiring social media managers because they can't do all the work themselves. So just make sure you are usable on the internet, because if you can't provide value, you can't make enough. You will just depend on your 9-to-5 job. So make sure you have value and you can bring value to the table, or to big companies, or maybe even big people, and they will pay you for doing that for them. Yeah. Let's talk about networking. So they say your network is your network. Yeah. So as you learn these skills, and just find people who are in your direction, who are doing the same thing, not even the same thing, but who are doing something similar. So let's say you are a video editor, just find people who are photographers, people who are musicians, people who need your services, like people who are also learning those stuff. So maybe people who also follow or align with what you do. Just create a solid network of people. You'll be getting clients, gigs, and a whole lot rewards from those sides. So just don't just like minded people, like just move with minded people who are doing what you want to do, or who want to go where you also want to go, so that your life doesn't become, let's say, miserable, because maybe you are doing this thing and the people around you, they are just waiting for some miracle to happen. It means you just shrink among them. Just find people who have the same vision. It just push you to do more and keep going every day. Yeah. So I'll just say affiliate marketing is not what some people portray it online. Nowadays, people just tell you to maybe sign up to a website or an app and pay more just to be earning less, and maybe your money is locked for 2 or 3 months. So make sure you find the right affiliate people, the right affiliate programs and join them. I recommend the Jumia Force, Telegram bots, and let's say if you have the following, just join the Amazon Associates. You can also try the Acro referral program. They pay you $1 per referral. So Acro is just a platform that allows you to send money to your peers across Africa, buy credit or Visa card, buy Visa or MasterCards online, and you can even sell your digital product, whether you sell premium accounts, paintings, everything you can sell on the app. So make sure you download the Acro app via the link in my description. I have a full tutorial on how to sign up and do everything on the Acro app. Yeah. So as I said earlier, I won't make this video long and I won't be talking too much. This is just a guide on how you make money online. So just make sure you choose the one that works for you and follow the tutorials, in-depth tutorials in the description. Always make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends as well. Bye.